another busy day at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. I'm Sean and you're watching as Ratchet Turns. Let's see what's been going on around the shop the past few days. Today, checking out a vehicle that's having some engine problems, and Brad's going to explain to us what's going on.
It has oil pan failure.
Oil pan failure. Exactly what is oil pan failure?
The oil pan has failed to keep the parts in.
Oh, that is a problem. Major problem. Let's see what else is going on around the shop. Ryan's working on the old GMC Caballero. I've been told it's the El Camino's evil twin. Justin doing a service on a Chevy Cruze. Rebuilding the front end of the F-250. Ought to keep Ron busy all day. The Traverse. Getting ready to get a Jasper transmission. Don't forget, Jasper transmissions and engines come with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Justin putting a set of Cooper tires on the GMC Caballero. Give us a call or stop out and see us. Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center, a name you can trust.